Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and these resistant bands are great for working out at home. I have really enjoyed using them because I'm able to do body workouts without dumbbells, and it helps me work on my muscle mobility. It has been great to add to different exercises like rowing, lateral raises, bicep curls, and they're also very helpful in warm-ups and for stretching after a workout. Since they don't take up much space, they're very easy to take with me while I travel, so I can continue my workouts even if I'm away. This makes working out very fun. They're very well made, strong and durable. Even after using them for a while, they don't show sign of wear and tear. And once I keep making progress with one resistant band, I can move on to the next level of resistance to make it a little more challenging. And that is my point of view.